once again we are here with another reaction video. So for today's reaction we have taken a Bodo song and the name of the song is
It's Laswi Laswi.
Laswi Laswi. Yeah, it is a RB production, film production. So guys, stay tuned to our channel. Hope you are going to enjoy the video. Let's watch together and see how it is. She's dead.
Maybe. Oh.
Is it the imagination? He is within the room and that girl is coming and touching him.
Yeah, maybe his girlfriend, man.
Girlfriend? Girlfriend is girlfriend. But he's imagining, I mean, maybe.
Yeah.
You are the one that I fight for. Yeah. Is it in reality or just imagination? Those scenes are beautiful, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then what exactly is going on? Let us see. We don't know.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's a romantic song, man.
Yeah, it's a madness.
Yeah, this is it. Riya, Brahma. Did you understand anything? I felt like it is in a dream.
But I feel like it's a reality and it was just a dream, man.
I feel like it is a dream because that girl, she comes from a river bank. Okay, she comes and touches. He was sleeping. He touches. Then both of them starts going here and the romance begins. Then at the end we find that girl is same place, and the boy is sleeping still on the bed. I think he was in a dreamland or maybe it might be imagination.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He was dreaming, man. Sleeping. He was still sleeping, man.
he was still sleeping. So I think that is a dreaming. I think.
That was only just a dream.
Yeah, just a dream. Anyways, song is good and melodious, and both actor and actress, they are also fair enough, beautiful and handsome. Anything you want to say?
I don't know, as I don't know the language.
Okay.
I like the songs, like the swing,
Yeah.
like the acting, everything looks good. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, guys. Overall, the song is good. We love the song and we enjoyed. And hopefully, it is a kind of dream that that guy had. Right?
Yeah.
It's a kind of dream that he had, and that song led us to the dreamland, in a romantic dreamland.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we enjoyed watching the video. Hope you too like the video. So if you like the video, please do subscribe our channel and share the video. And so we shall wind up here itself and hope to see you in the coming days. Till then, see you. Bye bye.